Hey guys, Jim from Measure Square here. In this Android video, we are going to cover the folder and list views for our product catalogs, as well as creating and syncing a catalog or database to our cloud. You'll see that I have the database already expanded on the left side. You'll see at the bottom left, I have products selected, which is to the right of widgets. Right now you can see my catalog is in a folder view. If I tap on a folder, we'll be able to see the contents of that folder, such as these Broadland carpets. If you tap on the plus icon towards the top right of the catalog view, we'll be able to add a new product or add a folder within this folder and then add products into that. For product creation, please see our previous videos. Now I will back out of here. If I would like to turn this into a list view, I can tap on the three lines towards the bottom right to the right of Database 2018, tap on List, and this will give us a longer form view of that same catalog without the folder view. So you can kind of get a long view of everything you have created. Now I'll scroll back to the top. If I'd like to search for a product from this list, I can tap on the Search for Product field and type in my name of the product. If I tap on the three dashed lines with three dots to the left of all, I can turn this list view into a specific view for a specific product type. So if I deselect all and just tap on carpet roll, for example, I can easily see just all my carpets so I don't have to scroll through as much. Now if we go towards the bottom left, we can tap on the arrow pointing down, and these are the three different catalogs I currently have on this device. If you would like to create a new one, we can go towards the top right under Settings, tap on System Settings, scroll down a bit to Product Catalogs, and we can see those three same catalogs. If I'd like to sync these to the cloud or receive a database from the cloud onto this device, I can hit the two arrows chasing each other at the top right, and this will pull down that catalog and push these to the cloud. Now if I tap on the three dots to the right of a database, we'll have some options such as renaming this database, sharing this via email, or just deleting it completely. If I'd like to create a new database, just hit the plus at the bottom right, type in the name, so let's we'll just name it Region 2, tap OK. Now we'll see Region 2 on that list. Again, if I hit sync, this will now push this database to our cloud. I will tap Done at the top right, and now we can see if I hit that arrow again towards the bottom left, we'll see the REG2 for Region 2 has appeared. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.